My baby shower is tomorrow! I'm so excited.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Oh my God.
You can't be replaced. See no one else. Let me like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You can't give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Okay guys, so I just got my lashes done. My brows are tinted. I'm so excited. Can you guys see? I'll put my lash girl down below. But yeah, now I just have to hurry home and wash and straighten my hair. And then I need to straighten, I don't know if you guys can hear me, my hair is blowing. And then I need to straighten my, what's it called? My clip-ins and wash my dog. My baby shower is tomorrow! I'm so excited. So I'm in traffic, so I'll talk to you guys a little later when I can talk a little more. All right guys, so I'm back. I'm out of breath. But I'm back. I got my lashes done, brow tint, got my nails done. Now I'm about to hop in the shower and oh, I am out of breath. I'm out of breath. I'm about to hop in the shower, wash my hair, blow dry, straighten and everything. And then I have to straighten the clip-ins that I have because the baby shower is tomorrow, you guys. I cannot believe it's tomorrow. Like, time is flying, so I really need to hurry up because if you have natural curly hair, you know how long this can take. So let me hurry up. I need to charge this battery. So before, and then I'll show you guys a little bit of the process. I'll probably speed it up and show you guys me straightening my hair and after. Bye. So here's the before of my hair. Dirty, dirty, dirty. It really needs done. Okay guys, it is a couple of hours later. I had to sit down because of course I was tired. So I have my hair in 4 twists and it's up in this clip. I'm going to be trying this Revlon blow dryer, one that just spins. It's like a brush. I usually would use a round brush and, you know, do it the old school way and use the round brush and the blow dryer. But I want to see if this is easier because anything that makes my life easier at this point, I need. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up, get ready, and yeah, we're about to get right into it. I'm using my usual products. My Tresemme heat protectant. I put a little dab of this on my ends. It's the Redken anti-snap leave-in treatment. And of course, you can't blow dry your hair without the Kenra blow drying spray. This makes blow drying my hair 10 times easier. It allows you to blow dry your hair so quick. I'm so thankful that I got put onto this. So yeah, let's just get right into it because I still need to straighten my clip-ins. So I'm gonna be using all of these same products. I washed the hair, it's dry, so now I just need to straighten it pretty much. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the blow drying process. This is a blow dryer. Basically has the round brush and the blow dryer all in one. And we're about to see how this works. Super excited. Hopefully this will make blow drying my hair so much easier and I can do this so much quicker. So I'm not gonna do like a full video, but I'll show you this one section. I have it detangled, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it down. It has had a little time to dry. First, I'm gonna start with the, what's this called? Heat protectant. And I put that everywhere. Then I'm gonna take the Redken Anti-Snap. And I don't put a lot of product when I'm going straight. Ooh, that's probably a little too much. But yeah, about that much. Put it on my ends. Work it up through my hair. My hair is so soft, you guys. Like, I've really been taking care of it. Getting my trends and everything. And then I'm gonna take the Kenra blow dry spray and spray that all over on both sides. And then I'm just gonna brush that through. Like I said, I already detangled, so pretty easy. I'm gonna take this little towel I have and just dry it a little bit. All right, let's get into this blow dryer. So freaking excited. I hope it's everything I thought it would be. Off, cool, low, high. Okay.
How's it going?
Be back.
I missed you.
I did miss you.
Did you?
Yeah. Tired.
Is it boss?
Pause.
It's highly.
Okay guys, so I actually changed my mind. When I was doing it before, I was doing it like this and I was going way too fast. But just now I did it slow like this and it did a pretty good job. Like, look how straight it is. So I'm gonna show you guys me doing this one so you can see what I'm talking about. This is, you see it's still puffy. So yeah, I actually love this thing because at first I thought it didn't work, but that was just me going too fast. And this wasn't even, I got this and it's not even on the highest setting, it's on the lowest heat setting. So look at that. Got it pretty straight. Okay, so I'm not gonna record the whole thing, but I'm gonna do the same thing to the other 4 sections of my head and I'll be back.
tryna put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Millie point two just to hurt you. All red lamb just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year in a week too. Yeah, main bitch out of your league too. Side bitch out of your league too. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table come from ebony. Cut that ever into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, man, I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch on my side, I take any lane. Switch on my cup, I kill any pain. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Every day a nigga try to test me, every day a nigga try to end me, pull off in the roadster SV, pockets overweight getting hefty, coming for the king, that's a far cry. I come alive in the fall time. The competition, I don't really listen. I'm in the blue mood, song, bump a new edition. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table come from ebony. Cut that ever into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, man, I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch on my side, I take any lane. Switch on my cup, I kill any pain.
What?
J. Cole charges $2K per word.
Period.
I just need someone who will listen.
So we'll better pay 970.
Oh.
So yeah, move on. We're all breathing our